there! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of boxing and what it can do for your body and mind. Boxing is not just a sport, it's a lifestyle, a discipline that transforms you from the inside out. Imagine feeling the rush of adrenaline, the power in your fists, the rhythm of your heart matching the beat of your punches. It's not just about the fight in the ring, it's about the fight in you. From your heart pounding like a drum to your mind as sharp as a tack, the benefits are endless. But what's really happening inside? Time to break it down. Let's kick things off with your heart. When you start boxing, your cardiovascular system gets a serious workout. It's like giving your heart a tune-up. With each jab, cross, and uppercut, your heart is pushed to pump harder, thus improving its overall health. But it's not just your heart that benefits. Boxing is a symphony of coordination. Precise movements, footwork, and hand-eye coordination all play their parts in this cardio ballet. And as you spar with an opponent or a punch bag, you're not just burning calories, you're also honing these skills. You see, boxing is a sport of accuracy. Each punch thrown, each step taken, each evasion must be calculated and timed to perfection. As you immerse yourself in the rhythm of the sport, you'll find your movements becoming sharper, more precise. The result? Improved cardiovascular health and enhanced coordination that permeates every aspect of your life. As you practice, you'll notice your movements becoming more fluid and precise. And here's a fun fact: boxing can actually help lower your blood pressure. You may wonder how. Well, it's simple. The intense yet controlled physical activity that boxing entails works wonders for your arteries. It reduces the strain on these vital blood vessels, ensuring your blood pressure remains in a healthy range. But the benefits don't stop there. Boxing is also a boon for your joints. Now, you might be thinking, isn't boxing hard on the joints? Well, it's quite the opposite. The repetitive movements in boxing, like jabbing, dodging, and footwork, act as a form of resistance training for your muscles, especially those surrounding your joints. This constant exercise strengthens these muscles, making them more robust and resilient. Stronger muscles mean better support for your joints, less risk of injury, and ultimately improved joint health. So boxing is not just about strength and agility, it's about overall wellness too. The repetitive movements strengthen the muscles around your joints, providing them with better support and stability. Want to shed some extra pounds? Boxing is here to help. Boxing is not just about jabs and hooks. It's a high-intensity workout that can help you melt away those stubborn calories. With every punch thrown, every round completed, you're pushing your body to its limits. And that's when the magic happens. Your body enters a state of excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, often referred to as afterburn. This means even after you've hung up your gloves for the day, your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate. Beyond the physical, boxing also packs a punch when it comes to mental health. Life can sometimes feel like a boxing ring, with stress and anxiety delivering constant blows. Boxing, however, can be an excellent way to fight back. The intense focus required for boxing is like a form of meditation, helping to clear your mind and reduce stress levels. As you throw each punch, your body responds by releasing endorphins, our natural mood boosters. These chemicals interact with the receptors in your brain that reduce your perception of pain. Endorphins also trigger a positive feeling in the body, similar to that of morphine. So not only are you shedding pounds, but you're also shedding stress. The combination of physical exertion and mental focus helps to release endorphins, those feel-good hormones that leave you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. So if you're looking for a workout that benefits both body and mind, step into the ring and give boxing a try. So there you have it. Improved heart health, better coordination, lower blood pressure, healthy joints, fat burning, and stress relief, all wrapped up in one incredible sport. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Remember, keep punching through life, and we'll see you in the next video.